movie of you. Why don't you go over there and show us how those really cool cars work? All right. Can you make its lights go?
Yeah.
Make it use. We'll make a ramp so you can do them on the ramp. Would that be fun?